Hi everyone, Deb here again. I had done a Soft Flex small haul, but in that haul I had this brand new Parisian Couture design kit, mystery design kit, which we are not supposed to reveal until April 27th, and after 3 p.m. Pacific time, which is around 6 p.m. my time. I think the time change has me a little messed up. But anyway, I opened that. I did a video of that other haul, which included this, and I lost the footage of it. So I'm not going to refilm that because I have the stuff put away already. But I wanted to do this reveal video and put it up for April 27th. I'm anxious to see. The website, I think, hints at some. Now, let me step back. There was no matching strand for this, which is okay. I have enough silver, red, and pink beads, and I'm sure I can find things. And I think that's what's going to be in here. Looking at the list here now. So let's just see. And also, the silver or gray, the pink twine was on it. Yeah, looks like it. And I love this label. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Yeah, for us beadaholics, who can appreciate that? I know you're out there. Raise your hands. Alright, so this is the bag of the whole kit. And you always get, so far anyway, a Jessie James Design Elements pack, bead mix, or some kind of bead mix. You always get Soft Flex, one of their beading wires, and this one is red coral. Medium beading wire, 49 strand, 0.019 diameter. Let me pause. Sorry about that. I just had a little avalanche over near my cat. And then you also always get a little findings pack with about 20 crimps. These are sterling silver crimp beads, crimp tubes, 2x2, which work with their magical crimping pliers, which I have, and I do like them. Now that I've gotten used to them, I really do like them, because I don't like crimp covers. I hate using them, and I don't feel you need to with these. Okay, so in this one, we got silver plated lobster claw, silver plated ear wires with a ball. We got 4 of those, so 2 pair of earrings. And we got a Parisian Eiffel Tower. It's by Vintage Eiffel Tower charm. That's really pretty. We got a coin charm, single-sided, also vintage. We got 2 little bow tiara cast silver plated bow beads. They work really nicely with cubes to make little presents. So that's in that bag, right? And let's put them back in there for now. So those are the findings we get. Everything you need to make some pieces of jewelry. And then we get strands, and the strands we got this time are I might be missing something. It says 3mm cream glass pearls, but I'm not missing them. They didn't come out of the bag. Sorry. Okay, 3mm cream glass pearls. Those are tiny, but they're cute for spacers. And they are definitely like a cream or an ivory. And then light pink opal 2-hole check glass tiles. I think I might actually do some bead weaving this time, perhaps with this kit. And then pink check glass rectangular twists. These are pretty too, different shape. How many get on these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those. And then red check glass turbine beads, and they have like a bronzy bronze kind of color on the ends, with red showing through the middle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. About, I got 13 on my strand. So those are our strands. I think the pink and the pearls definitely scream Paris. I don't know. They do to me. I always think Audrey Hepburn and stuff. And I think pink when I think her. Is that right? I don't know. Let me open this with my little doohickey thing. Staple remover, I guess is what you would call it, right? Because I don't have any nails, first of all, to do it, and I probably broke some trying to open something similar. Alright, yeah, this looks definitely Paris. Okay, it's called Parisian Couture. We have our, what I call sugar beads. I think they're acrylic, but they go really pretty with these. Then we have, these are kind of weird shaped dimple, I'm going to call them dimple beads, because they feel like, or pinch beads, they feel like somebody pinched them on the sides. They're like a, yeah, they're like a, they almost look like a triangle that way because they were pinched. It's like a round that was pinched when it was hot. And they're like a frosted pink glass. And then these two huge white bicones. They're glass also. I don't know what the size is on them. And then two beautiful red crystal rondelles. I don't know. Yeah, they're glass also. And then we got 4 opaque red teardrops. I guess they're not, I don't know what's the difference between drop and teardrop, but to me, I guess these are drops because the hole goes down through the middle, and teardrops are usually like the briolet. I don't know. We got some black sugar beads, only they're rondelles. And we got 3, it looks like, of these. They're kind of a funky faceted, I don't know what. Yeah, they have a different shape, and they're black, but they have sort of a silvery sheen on them. They're pretty. Oh, we got 4. Never mind, we got 4. Yay. And of course, 2 roses, because no Paris without flowers, right? Red roses. They are rounded on the back, which makes them a little difficult sometimes to work with, but anyway. We got one of these beautiful, I love this bead. I had it in something else and I absolutely love it. It's gold with like little rhinestones all over it. I guess you can see it. And it's got some hollow spots. Yeah, really pretty. And then we got 4 little pink round, sort of frosted the same way these were, and 4 faceted rondelles in black. I think they're rondelle, yeah. And looks like 4 faceted. Also, I'm going to call them a rondelle, but they're a little fatter rondelle, where these are a little thinner. I haven't seen these thinner ones for a while. Okay, and then the metal in here is gold. And let's see, we have 2 of these textured coin beads. They're really nice. Kind of lightweight. I'm wondering, I think they're metal, but they might be metallicized plastic. I'm not sure. And these metal also beads, gold color with a design on them. I like the beads. And all these golds are the same tone, which is nice. Now I'm only seeing 3 of these, unless I'm not seeing right. Over one stuck in the bag. Nope, I only see 3 of these. These are really pretty too. These sparkly golden rhinestone, like 6mm rounds. And then we got some bead caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're all like this. Oops. They're all like that. Like a 5-petal flower. Yeah, smooth. you can't see because this light's not cooperating with me. There we go. And it has a little bit of depth to it, but not a whole lot. So 6 of those. So that is the kit this month. Some beautiful check glass and cream glass pearls, and then we have a mix of black, pink, white, and red beads in the mix here with gold findings, which is interesting because this is silver. So that is interesting that they have gold in here. I wouldn't have, I'm not, sometimes I mix metals, but not a whole lot. I do like the gold for Paris for some reason, but I also like silver. Silver's my thing. So I don't know. I'll see what I come up with. Stay tuned. I'll have lots of jewelry coming up soon. All right, guys. Take care. Bye for now.